of the best ways of growing out your natural hair is by doing low manipulative hairstyles and the use of DIYs. So this is actually rosemary oil that I'd actually infused for 1 whole week. You can actually use your hair growth spray. This is actually hibiscus hairspray. It's very good for strengthening out the hair. It's good for growing out your hair while on protective style and even when you're not on protective style. So all of this is just to encourage new growth even when it is less than a month, because research has it that in a month we have the tendency to grow an average of half an inch, but as you can see, my hair has actually grown even when it is just 2 weeks and some days. So that's because I did other things in between and I'll be listing them. So as earlier mentioned, I used DIYs like the one you're seeing on the screen, and also I massaged my scalp. Yes, you would also see that in this video. I massaged my scalp. So most of the time when I apply products, I massage my scalp so that it will absorb the product and also improve blood circulation. That would also promote healthy hair growth. I also sleep with a satin bonnet. Yes, you need to protect your ends. The length you're actually growing out, you need to protect it so that you don't break it off and see less visible growth, right? You need to retain as much inches as you can. So I sleep with a satin bonnet, and also I try my possible best to ensure that my scalp is clean. My scalp is clean and thriving. Anytime I use any form of hair growth spray or hair growth oil or whatnot, I always moisturize my hair with the use of a leave-in conditioner. Yes, most of the products, the ingredients contains drying properties like clove. If cloves are used in excess, they can actually be drying to the hair and in turn break off the length that you've grown over time. So that is why you need to moisturize after using any form of DIY on your hair to be on the safe side. Moisturization helps your hair to stay hydrated and in turn reduce visible hair breakage. So you need to take this step in cognizance so that you retain as much length that you have grown over the years, over the months, or even over the weeks. So all you need to do is invest in DIYs. DIY will actually be a game changer in your overall hair growth. Your hair becomes thicker, it becomes longer, it becomes healthier, and you can even grow out your edges. As you can see, I have like visible new growth around my edge line. So that's because I have invested in products that will stimulate healthy hair growth. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos like this, more tips, more tricks, more visible results that you guys can see. And I'll see you guys in my next. Ensure you watch to the end of this video and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Like I earlier stated, I will see you guys in my next.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he come out us. No go fambo.